Ever wondered why the chicken crossed the squat rack? Neither did we, but it probably wanted leaner, stronger legs. Imagine, if you will, a chicken strutting its stuff, not just across the road, but across the gym floor. Perhaps it's looking for gains, just like us. Ridiculous, right? But let's not ruffle our feathers just yet. Just like our feathered friend, we all need strong legs. They're the foundation of our body. The pillars that hold us up. Whether you're sprinting for the bus, climbing stairs, or doing the cha-cha-cha, you need those legs to be as sturdy as oak trees. And hey, if a chicken can brave the squat rack, why can't we? Squats, lunges, deadlifts, these are the stepping stones to legs of steel. So let's follow the chicken's lead. Let's embrace the burn, the sweat, the sweet victory that comes with every rep. So let's not be chickens, it's time to conquer the squat rack. Did you hear about the time I mistook a dumbbell for a donut? Yeah, it was a heavy situation. Now I know what you're thinking. How on earth do you confuse a piece of workout equipment with a glazed pastry? Well, it's a funny story. I was in the middle of a grueling leg day session and my mind started to wander. You know how it is? One moment you're doing lunges and the next, you're dreaming about a box of jelly-filled delights. So there I was, under the spell of my donut daydreams when I spotted it. A perfectly round object, glistening under the gym lights. Without a second thought, I reached out, expecting a soft, sugary treat. Instead, I was met with cold, hard iron. I nearly chipped a tooth. But this hilarious mix-up got me thinking about the importance of focus and form during leg workouts. It's all too easy to zone out and let our minds wander to delicious distractions. But when we do that, we risk not only mistaking dumbbells for donuts but also compromising our form and effectiveness of our exercises. Take squats, for instance. It's not just about bending your knees and hoping for the best. It's about engaging your core, keeping your back straight and driving your heels into the ground. And lunges? They're not just big steps. You've got to keep your torso upright, lower your body until your front knee is at a 90-degree angle, and push back up to your starting position. These exercises, when done correctly, can really help sculpt those lean legs we're all after. But the key is to stay focused, stay present, and keep your form in check. And maybe also to keep the donuts outside the gym. So the next time you find yourself dreaming of pastries mid-workout, remember my story. Remember the importance of focus and form. And most importantly, remember that while donuts may be delicious, they won't help you in your quest for lean legs. Remember folks, donuts won't give you lean legs, but dumbbells might. Ever had a face-off with a treadmill? Spoiler alert, the treadmill usually wins. Ah, the dreaded treadmill. The cardio machine that keeps on giving, whether you like it or not. Let me share a tale that might bring a giggle or two. So, there I was, preparing for my daily jog. I stepped onto the treadmill, set my speed, and off I went, feeling like I was on top of the world. But then, my shoelace decided to stage a rebellion. It untied itself, and before I knew it, I was flying through the air, landing in a heap on the floor. I wished I could say I took it like a champ, but the truth is, I was more like a flailing fish out of water. Lesson learned, always double-check your shoelaces before stepping onto the treadmill. But let's not let my misadventure cast a shadow over the real star of this story, the treadmill. Despite my stumble, literally, the treadmill remains a steadfast companion in my journey to achieving lean legs. It's a cardio powerhouse, helping to burn calories and shred fat. But remember, it's not just about running aimlessly, it's about setting a pace that challenges you, but is still comfortable. Now, onto the safety aspect, because we don't want any more flying acrobats in the gym, do we? First, always start at a slow pace and gradually increase your speed. This gives your body time to adjust. Second, keep your posture upright and relaxed, and let your arms swing naturally. And finally, remember to hydrate and take breaks when you need to. Cardio is essential for leg fitness, but so is taking care of your body. And so, we come to the end of another tale. The treadmill might seem daunting, but with the right approach, it can become your ally in your quest for lean legs. So tread carefully, my friends. The path to lean legs is fraught with peril. Why do some people avoid leg day like it's a sequel to a bad movie? Ah yes, the infamous leg day. A date in the gym calendar that seems to inspire as much enthusiasm as a root canal. But why does this crucial component of a balanced workout routine get such a bad rap? Picture this. It's a glorious day at the gym. You're ready to pump some iron, break a sweat, and feel the adrenaline rush. You're all about the biceps, the pecs, the abs. Then you remember, it's leg day. Suddenly, the weights look heavier, the gym seems colder, and you're contemplating if you really need legs to walk. Now, don't get me wrong, leg day can feel like you've signed up to single-handedly climb Mount Everest. But, it's not the villain it's painted out to be. In fact, it's more like a misunderstood superhero. Let's bust some myths. First off, leg day won't make you walk like a penguin for a week. Yes, you'll feel the burn, but remember, no pain, no gain. Second, leg exercises won't turn you into a bulky bodybuilder overnight. If anything, they'll help you achieve a balanced, lean physique. Third, you won't need to invest in a new wardrobe. Your jeans will still fit, I promise. But what's the real kicker? Leg day is not just about legs. It's a full-body workout that boosts your metabolism and increases your body's fat-burning potential. So while you're squatting, lunging, and leg pressing, you're also working on your core, improving your balance, and enhancing your overall strength. So, let's change the narrative. Instead of dreading leg day, let's look forward to it. Let's embrace the challenge, push our boundaries, and appreciate the journey. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither were your legs. So, let's not fear leg day any longer. Embrace the burn, love the gain, and let's get those legs of steel. What's the secret sauce to lean legs? Is it a magic potion, a secret handshake, a hidden treasure map? Now, wouldn't it be great if getting lean legs was as easy as adding a sprinkle of fairy dust or sipping on a magical elixir? Or perhaps if we could just whisper a secret password to our legs and voila, they transform into toned, lean machines. But alas, my friends, the path to lean legs isn't paved with shortcuts or hidden treasures, but rather with sweat, perseverance, and a little bit of science. Some folks will have you believe that there's a secret leg slimming pill or that doing 1,000 squats a day will give you the legs of a supermodel. Well, I hate to break it to you, but there's no magic pill or one-size-fits-all exercise. It's like expecting to win the lottery without buying a ticket. It simply doesn't work that way. So, what's the real secret sauce then? It's a well-balanced diet, a varied exercise routine, and the most important ingredient of all, consistency. Just like how you can't build a castle with one stone, you can't achieve lean legs with one workout or one healthy meal. It's the little things, done consistently, that add up to big results. Fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to build and repair muscles. This means consuming a balanced diet rich in proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. And no, this doesn't mean you have to give up your favorite foods. It's all about moderation and balance. As for exercise, it's about more than just endless leg days. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. So don't expect to see results overnight. Instead, focus on progress, not perfection. So there you have it. The secret sauce to lean legs isn't so secret after all. It's just good old-fashioned hard work, a well-balanced diet, a varied exercise routine, and a side of determination. Turns out the secret sauce isn't so secret after all. It's just good old-fashioned hard work and a side of determination. So, what have we learned today, besides the fact that chickens can't do squats and treadmills are out to get us? We've uncovered some truths about leg fitness, shared some laughs, and perhaps shed a few tears, mostly from the leg day blues. We've learned that squats aren't just for chickens crossing the gym floor, but for all of us striving for lean, mean leg machines. We've discovered that dumbbells and donuts are not, in fact, interchangeable, much to the dismay of our sweet tooth. We've confronted the treadmill, that relentless beast, and emerged victorious. Above all, we've explored the secret sauce to lean legs, a blend of determination, sweat, and perhaps a sprinkle of madness. So, let's keep pushing, keep laughing, and keep striving for those legs of steel. Because fitness isn't just a journey, it's a comedy show, and you're the star. Don't forget to comment and subscribe for more great videos. Remember, the path to legs of steel may be tough, but at least it's not as tough as mistaking a dumbbell for a donut.